Hey, this is Kronda with Karvel Digital, and I just wanted to take a minute to share about my experience working with GoWP. One of the best things that happened when I hired them to look after my websites and my client sites is that I made a mindset shift to starting to become the CEO of my business. See, great business owners don't necessarily do everything themselves. You're just responsible for making sure that you deliver a great result to your clients. And so being able to get out of the weeds and stop working in my business and being responsible for all the technical things actually gave me a lot more time and focus and energy to talk with my clients and see what other problems could I help them solve. So I would really encourage you to at least talk to them and see what they can do for you, because you can't really put a price on the peace of mind from knowing that a really important aspect of your technical business is taken care of. So get out of the weeds and start smelling the flowers and hire GoWP. Thanks.